Hi guys. Today I'm gonna be cleaning my room. This is my first time doing a video, so please like and subscribe. And I need all these views for my family. And so I'm gonna set up this somewhere, and then I'm gonna clean my room. Okay. Okay. Sorry guys, I don't have equipment. This is my dog's bed, by the way. See, this is my dog's bed. Put away. This goes under my bed. Put away these books. Guys, remember these are family-friendly videos, so don't worry about any of bad words, because I don't say that. Take all the stuff. He's my wizard. He's in his room right now. Look what I made. Okay, that was all my room.